In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install templates in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and project management tool that makes it easy to organize your work, streamline tasks, and collaborate with your team. Templates in ClickUp are a great way to save time and maintain consistency across your projects. Whether you're setting up spaces, folders, lists, or tasks, templates can help you standardize your workflow. Today, I'll guide you step by step through how to apply, create, and save templates so you can get the most out of ClickUp. Let's dive in. First, let's start with how to apply a template to a space, folder, or list. To begin, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want the template applied. Look for the three-dot ellipses icon next to the name of the space, folder, or list, and click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select the Templates option and then click on Browse Templates. This will take you to the Template Center, where you can search or browse to find the template you want to use. Once you've located the template that fits your needs, click Use Template. At this point, you'll be prompted to configure the import options. Here, you can decide which elements to include, such as tasks, custom fields, or specific views. Once you've made your selections, click Import, and the template will be applied to your chosen space, folder, or list. Now, let's talk about applying a template directly to a task. Start by opening a task. This can be a new task you've just created or an existing one. In the upper right corner of the task window, click on the ellipses icon from the drop-down menu that appears, select Templates, and then click on Browse Templates. Just like before, you'll be able to choose from a list of available task templates. Once you've found the template you want, you can either select Use Template, which allows you to customize the template before applying it, or choose Quick Use to apply the template with its default settings immediately. And that's it, your task template is now applied. For even quicker access to templates, you can type / followed by the word template directly in a task description or comment. This shortcut will instantly open the Template Center so you can select and apply a template without navigating through menus. Next, let's go over how to save an item as a new template. Start by navigating to the item you want to save as a template. This could be a task, list, or folder. Once you've opened the item, click on the ellipses menu. From the drop-down options, select Templates, and then click on Save as Template. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for the template. Make sure to choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to locate later. After naming your template, you'll have the option to set sharing permissions. You can make the template private, meaning only you can access it, or set it to be shared with team members. Next, select the specific elements you want to include in the template. For example, you can include tasks, custom fields, views, and more. Once you've configured your preferences, click Save, and your new template will be stored in ClickUp for future use. And there you have it. By using ClickUp templates, you can save time, stay organized, and ensure consistency across your projects. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start streamlining your workflows today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.